Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to the episode of Tiny Troopers 2 Special Ops. On to Mission 3, Ambush. There's another survival mission, the same, not as, is again very difficult one, so we're going to purchase our Gatling Gunner here. Because in this mission, there will be enemy Gatling Gunners coming to flank us, so we need our own Gatling Gunners to kill the enemies. First thing first, as usual, we're gonna kill these two guys. And we're going to be purchasing 2 grenades. Those grenades will be helping in killing some of the Gatling gunners. So our second objective is to collect off the dog tags. So it's quite easy. Just walk around the map and you can collect off the dog tags. Wow, that explosion killed a lot of our health. Grenade guy. Walk around and collect off the dog tags here. Enemies are coming. Frame for this way. Grenade guy behind. More grenades to kill the Gatling gunners with. We're gonna purchase a health pack here. There's the first Gatling gunner. We're going to grenade him. Oh my gosh, he's smart enough to dodge the grenade. Yeah, that's... Oh! For three bullet difficulty, some of the enemies does know how to dodge grenades, so that's why you need to be very careful. Check the map. Oh gosh, a lot of dudes over here actually. Gatling gunner. That's death. Gatling gunner died. Health. Very useful. I believe there will be 3 more Gatling gunners, so that's why... Still a long ways to go before we complete this mission. Frame for... Oh gosh, I didn't mean to run into that grenade. There is a health pack. I know I saw one. Another Gatling gunner. We're going to grenade him. I did hit. Pick up that health pack up here. Oh, it's not a health pack. It's an intel. Oh gosh. If there's no health pack, we need to purchase one. Almost done with this mission. Gatling gunner. Got him dead. Frame for... Be careful here, there's a lot of stuff around the map. Believe there are 2 more Gatling gunners who are going to come and attack us. One at the top and one at the bottom. There's one right there, we're going to rocket him. That didn't kill. That's crazy. Another one down here. He's right over there. That's a destroy. Dude's over here. Quick kill. That didn't kill. Kill him. And that's the mission complete. Remember to like and subscribe. Click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. And I'll see you guys next time for more Tiny Troopers 2.